Thursday, April 13th. Little hotter day here today. And all three of these guys, or two of these guys, are supervising Aidan. And Aidan is putting on the rear wheels here. He's got one side on. And he's just putting air in the tire. See if he's done the other side or not. And the other tire's on as well. So they selected the two best tires for the back, and the intent now is get those tracks on, which are lying there, and they're going to get this thing moved out once they got that installed. I thought they would have had this done by now, but they didn't. I know Larry went to Quebec Indigenous Days here to see the canoe races, and they were 2 hours too late to start. But oh, I'm gonna follow Dad here. Dad's gonna show us all the tires here. They probably would have checked tire pressure here today, and
they're all checked.
Okay.
They're all new braces, bearings, and seals.
Oh, you got them all installed already?
And they're all drilled, so when you over grease them, the grease comes there and doesn't push the seal off.
Okay.
Plus paint it.
This is what Dad's referring to here. Is those two holes right there? Oh, and yet he's gone off because I can hear Charlie barking at something
Charlie's
there.
Been working all day.
Okay, so all new bearings, races, and seals. Oh, there's D-Dog. He's going to go check out the activity too. They probably got a ground squirrel and a telephone pile pill. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the other 2, 8 is on the machine. And so yeah, we've got to get that going there. And what's the latest with here? We just didn't get up there today, or what?
We're waiting for you.
Yeah.
And that thing is all ready.
Yeah.
4 of us are going to set it up.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So wait for...
Otherwise, this one's ready to go.
Yeah, okay, perfect. So they're just waiting on me, so I probably wait until Aidan's done here, and then we'll just do it as one big team effort. So yeah, a little hotter in the shop here today, but can't be helped. And just delivered our little fearless dog here, and she's probably going to run off and with the other big dogs and get into some trouble. Just took her to the grocery store. She got into the jacket and hit herself and whatnot. What do you think, Larry? Progress, eh? Yeah, good, buddy. So Larry took us out for dinner last night to the Westgana, and we had a steak sandwich. It was damn good. And so yeah, now that rear tire's back on, the boys have a way of squeezing all this together to get the tracks on, and then it's going to be pulled out, hopefully to the number 1 position where they can at least sand. I would ideally like it outside of the shop, but doesn't always work that way. There's no rain in the forecast, so this might be perfect here. So I'm just going to go check on the dogs and find out what's going on, and then I'll be right back. What do you think, Larry? Is it going to be a damn fine machine when it's done? It's she's going to be a beautiful machine. There's lots to go here yet, but they're doing it right by taking it right down to the bare bones. I know that much. And Larry knows what he's talking about. He owns 7 Bombardiers, so he can see quality in the making when it's happening here. Okay, so we're just gonna lift this up into place, and then we're gonna put it on, and so you'll see what we have it up there. So the lifting in place was pretty easy with 4 guys, and now Dad is just putting in the bolts. Aidan put in the spikes here so that we can get everything lined up. And so we got 2 bolts in right now, and we're going to do the other side here right away. So she's super tight right now, and they might actually have to take out the bolts and put in some longer ones. I got the one installed right there. So they're just getting it fitted into place. Dad said once this is done, it's going back out to the yard, ready for pickup. Charge the customer this extra charge, and then send them an invoice. And then hopefully they can work on the 71 wide gauge. That's obviously right here. Got the tires on. Little dog supervising at the end of the day. I call her Fearless. Dad calls her Squirty. And yeah. I guess I gotta put in a few washers here just so it doesn't move on them. Just tightening everything up now. Good thing we got Larry here. Okay, so other than closing the doors and getting it out of the shop, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so they're gonna move it tomorrow. Too late in the day. Just loves the lunch bag. In and out. What the best toy ever.